So today we're going to have a look at the Valentine's Day phrases in Irish Gaelic. La Vela Valentine or La Vela Valentine. The Cheen here in Ulster dialect of Irish, but all around Valentine. So La Vela Valentine, La Vela Valentine. And that's Valentine's Day. La Vela Valentine Sonadich. Happy Valentine's Day to you, and again they can be Valentine instead of Valentine. La Vela Valentine fi Washadich. La Vela Valentine fi Washadich. Happy Valentine's Day to you, and again with the teen instead of cheen. An bhfuil tú a bheith I mo Valentine? Will you be my Valentine? An bhfuil tú a bheith I mo Valentine? And the answer is tá for yes, níl for no. So, yeah, tá or níl. Another way of saying will you be my Valentine? An mian tú mo Valentine. And you answer that. Bíam, I will be. Ní bhíam, I will not be. Tá grá agam ditch, I love you. Tá mé in rá lat, I am in love with you. Tá grá an dón agam ditch. And this undone is the world or depth. That's what that means. So, be the depth of the world of love I have for you. So it's quite deep love. Tá grá an dón agam ditch. And you love that person back if you're going to say that. I love you too. Tá mé in rá latsa freshen, or tá mé in rá latsa fosta. Both these freshen and fosta mean as well. So you say tá mé in rá latsa freshen, or you can say tá mé in rá latsa fosta. It's either or, you pick which one of these you want to use. They're both equally acceptable. Tá muid in rá, we are in love. Tá muid in rá. Níl ach agat a lá. You only got half of it. In terms of like you've only got half the love going there, or half what's going on there in the relationship. Níl ach agat a lá. Pogue dom, kiss me. I can also in Ulster hear do for this, so pogue do or pogue dom, however you want to pronounce that. So kiss me. Seo carta Valentine ditch. Here is a Valentine's Day card for you. Seo carta Valentine ditch. Tá mé I do Valentine. I am your Valentine. Cheanny me Brontanas ditch, or Cheanny me. It's me or me. You can hear both. Cheanny me Brontanas ditch. I bought you a present. Seo blachana agus bosca Shacklogy in Ulster, or Shacklogy elsewhere for this word here. Bearing ditch. So here is flowers and a box of chocolates for you. Here is flowers, box of chocolates / teddy for you. So whatever you want to use there. Seo blachana ditch. There's flowers for you. Give us only flowers. Seo bosca Shacklogy ditch. You give them a box of chocolates, or you stick them together. Seo blachana agus bosca Shacklogy ditch. Seo blachana agus bearing ditch. Bearing is the teddy, bosca Shacklogy is the box of chocolates, and that's the flowers blachana. Tá mo crí istí an. My heart is in him. In other words, you really love him. Tá mo crí istí an. And if it's for her, Tá mo crí istí inchi. With a in, that's her and that's him. So Tá mo crí istí an. If you're talking to him. And if you're talking to her, it's Tá mo crí istí inchi. Ní moilum la vela Valentine mar tá mé single. I don't like Valentine's Day as I am single. Or to put it more strongly, is fualum la vela Valentine mar tá mé single. So that's I don't like and I hate. Catí a plasiacht lom. Why are you sweet talking me? I.e. what are you after? So plasiacht, that's sweet talking. Catí is why. Catí a plasiacht lom. Okay, so that's that for your Valentine's Day phrases as Gaeilge. So buena gí solas an lá agus an rá. And that means enjoy the day and the love. Alright, slán. Garma hugget agus slán.